You should be dropping sounds in English. Wait, I should be dropping sounds in English. Did you know that many native English speakers drop sounds or syllables in pronunciation? This process is called elision, and it's a normal and natural part of how we speak. Elision helps with the flow and rhythm of speech, making it easier to communicate. Here are 7 common words where you can drop sounds or syllables. Practice with me. Comfortable. Instead of saying comfortable, you can say comfortable. 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 Vegetable. Instead of saying vej-ta-buhl, you can say vegetable. 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 Different. Instead of saying dif-er-ent, you can say different. 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 Mem-ree. Instead of saying mem-uh-ree, you can say mem-ree. 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 Chok-lit. Instead of saying chok-lit, you can say chok-lit. 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 Separate. Instead of saying separate, you can say separate. 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 Interesting. Instead of saying interesting, you can say interesting. Interesting. Interesting.